and I'm so grateful to have all of you here. I wanted to start off with a little introduction on who I am, and I wanted to tell you a little bit about what I plan to bring to this channel. So I'm an abstract expressionist artist. I share a lot of my process with many of you on Instagram, and over the last kind of 2 years, I've really devoted myself to becoming a full-time artist. I had a job as a curator for many years, and I decided I wanted to switch gears and really pursue my own practice. And I've always been an artist, so I've been painting since I was really young, but it wasn't until these last kind of couple of years that I've decided to make a go of it. So my idea with this channel is to bring a little bit of the background, behind the scenes look at my own process. So I work in a variety of different mediums. I work in acrylic and oil. I work in various surfaces, so oil on board, acrylic on raw canvas. So part of what I wanted to bring to this channel is just a little bit about that process, that behind the scenes, the kind of gritty look at what it takes to arrive at the end point of a certain work. And the other part of this journey is also I wanted to bring a few tutorials to this channel. So for those of you that are wanting to start painting or drawing or whatever it is, I wanted to make it accessible and allow you to kind of follow along with me. Very simple steps to paint, for example, in watercolor, to paint in oil. I want to make it available so that everyone feels comfortable creating in whatever medium that is. So those are kind of the two parts that I wanted to bring to this channel. I also want to bring some ASMR, some really beautiful, luscious like sounds from painting and drawing. I know that would be a really interesting feature as well, and I'm still kind of exploring what that might look like. And I know that these are such difficult times right now, and all of us are just trying to cope. And I know for me personally, art and the act of creation has helped me get through this. So ultimately, the goal of this channel is just to bring a little bit of light into your life, a little bit of inspiration. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I plan to bring you a video each week. That's something a little bit different. I'll be including a mixture of process and also tutorial videos for you, and of course a little bit of that ASMR that I was mentioning earlier. And I hope that all of you have an amazing day.